My name's Daniel Million. I started AMS Parts in 2010. So as the president and founder, my main goal is to make sure that we're bringing the best customer experience in the heavy equipment industry. Our goal is to move our customers from downtime to uptime. When equipment breaks down, operations often can come to a complete screeching halt. So when downtime hits, the whole operation's in jeopardy of being delayed. They're immediately kind of thrown into a situation where they become out of budget. Every day for a contractor costs that operator money. Our customers, really their goal is just that their operations are moving forward, equipment's running great, our customers are building our communities, they're building our infrastructure, they're building our country. If you're experiencing downtime, please give us a call, contact us. We have a team that's dedicated, they're passionate about moving your fleet forward.